Motoplex Maintenance Minute. We're back in the shop this time with Chris. Chris, machine that came in, it's got some issues as far as the wiring. Kind of explain what's going on here.
Not sure who did the wiring, but we suggest when we put the accessories on, we go about tying up wires so they're not on drive shaft hot wires or hot motor burning up wires, possibly causing a fire. Like for instance, here's one. There's a wire sitting right there. You look up in here further, that is the drive shaft, and you can tell how close it is on.
Yep.
So,
okay, so that's one issue.
That's one, and you come back over here, and there's just free wires hanging. This particular spot doesn't get real hot, but like that one's sitting up against the frame there. It's just free wires. They move over and over again throughout time. They corrode, they'll rub on frame, metal, plastic, and they'll wear through, and could arc out, could cause a fire. Your accessory may not work. It depends. So
that's why we say when you're going to do something or have someone do it, make sure it's done by an expert, someone who knows what they're doing. And you save some money up front, but then later in the long run you try to do something by yourself, or even other dealerships, taking shortcuts. It's going to cost you more down the road. So
when you're dealing with accessories, you pay for the quality about it. So it may cost a little more, but it's done the right way. It'll last, and your machine will look good. So
bring your machine in, whether it's our Norfolk location or Columbus location. Motoplex of Norfolk Maintenance Minute. Chris, thanks so much.
Yep.